Hello students, in previous part we will discuss some Medallion disorder which were remaining. Now in this part we will discuss on some Medallion disorder as well as chromosomal disorders. One Medallion disorder which was remained, one or two Medallion disorder which were remained. One of them phenylketonuria. Phenylketonuria. This is the disorder which is produced due to the lack of liver enzyme. मतलब पहली बात तो ये डिसऑर्डर किस प्रकार का है? This is a recessive autosomal genetic traits. रिसेसिव ऑटोसोमल जेनेटिक डिसऑर्डर। कारण क्या है इसका? ये जो किसी व्यक्ति के अंदर होता है तो उसका कारण क्या है कि लीवर के अंदर एक एंजाइम होता है फिनालालाइन हाइड्रोक्सिलेज। इफ दिस एंजाइम इज नॉट प्रोड्यूस्ड देन द फिनालालाइन पायरुवेट एंड देन द फिनालालाइन अमाइनो एसिड डज नॉट चेंज इनटू टायरोसिन, क्योंकि फिनालालाइन अमाइनो एसिड का टायरोसिन में चेंज होना जरूरी है। वो चेंज कर सकता है कौन? लीवर एंजाइम। If there is no production of liver enzyme, then this phenylalanine pyruvic this phenylalanine amino acid change into phenylalanine pyruvic, which affect the brain and it may cause the mentally retardation. This defect may arise due to the lack of liver enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase which convert the phenylalanine amino acid into tyrosine. The liver enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase, this convert the amino acid phenylalanine into tyrosine. Clear? If this is not produced, this enzyme is not produced, a lack of this enzyme, this phenylalanine amino acid change into phenylalanine pyruvic acid. In absence of liver enzyme, the phenylalanine amino acid change into phenylalanine pyruvic acid. This phenylalanine pyruvic acid affect the brain. So the person in which this lack of this enzyme, that must be mentally retardation. It means mentally इसके अंदर मतलब बुद्धि की कमी हो जाएगी. Pyruvic acid which affect the brain, that may cause mentally retardation. This is the autosomal, recessive autosomal metabolism traits, you can also say that. एरर मेटाबॉलिक एरर होती है जिसके कारण से ये ट्रेट्स रिसेसिव ऑटोसोमल डिसऑर्डर जेनेटिक डिसऑर्डर्स इज प्रोड्यूस, दैट इज phenylketonuria. One more disorder which follow the rule of Medallion, that is thalassemia. Thalassemia is also a disorder which is recessive autosomal. It is also a recessive autosomal disorder. This disorder arise in Mediterranean, means the area which near to the equator, Mediterranean. Reason, due to mutation or deletion of autosomal, or you can say that deletion of recessive autosomal, किसी कारणवश this disorder may be first thalassemia. It is a recessive autosomal genetic disorder. It may arises in the Mediterranean, means the area near to the equator, in those areas. How this disorder may be arises due to the mutation or deletion of recessive autosomal. रिसेसिव ऑटोसोमल डिलीट हो जाता है या म्यूटेशन हो जाता है जिसके कारण से ग्लोबिन पॉलीपेप्टाइड नहीं बन पाता. इन लैक ऑफ ग्लोबिन पॉलीपेप्टाइड द आरबीसी इज रप्चर्ड because RBC accumulated by some other substances, so the number of RBC reduce and this may cause anemia. In lack of, or you can say that in absence of recessive autosomal, there is no formation of globin polypeptide. वो ग्लोबिन जो पॉलीपेप्टाइड मींस प्रोटीन सिंथेसाइज करता है. Thus, due to this enzyme absence, मतलब पहली बात absence क्या, ऑटोसोमल रिसेसिव, वो डिलीट हो गया वहाँ से, म्यूटेट हो गया जिसके कारण से ग्लोबिन पॉलीपेप्टाइड, देयर इज नो फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ग्लोबिन पॉलीपेप्टाइड. और ग्लोबिन पॉलीपेप्टाइड की एब्सेंस होगी तो क्या होगा, आरबीसी रप्चर हो जाएगा. Thus, due to this absence of globin, the other substances accumulate the RBCs. So the number of RBC may be reduced or absence. This may cause anemia. Thus, the number of RBC reduced, which cause anemia. This type of disorder is mostly can be seen in Middle East, subcontinent of India Mediterranean and Africa. This type of disorders are found in mostly in Mediterranean, near to the equator, Middle East, subcontinent of India, and in Africa. These are some Medallion disorder which were left. These are the two which were left in the previous part, and there are some other disorder also which arises due to the abnormalities of number of chromosomes. So those are called chromosomal disorders. Chromosomal disorders. The disorders which arises due to the abnormalities in number of chromosomes. Maybe one chromosome reduced or may be one chromosome added, which we have already discussed. Monosomy and trisomy. Monosomy means reduction of one chromosome, and trisomy means addition of one chromosome. There are the following disorders. First of all is Down syndrome. Down syndrome. This disorder was firstly observed by Langdon Down in 1866. This disorder was firstly observed by Langdon Down in 1866. It is the result of trisomy. It means one number of chromosome is added. Which one? At the 21st pair of chromosome. One chromosome is also added. This disorder is a result of trisomy. It means one number of chromosome is extra. Addition of one chromosome in 21st pair of chromosome. 21st पेयर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम है, उसके अंदर वन क्रोमोसोम ऐड और हो जाता है. So you can say that n+1, one number of chromosome is added. So it is the result of trisomy. One chromosome is extra at the position of 21st pair of. This type of disorder for the affected person means this is affected mostly in the child. This disorder can be seen in child with the following symptoms. And the child which is suffering from Down syndrome, there are some symptoms can be seen in that child. First one is small round head. Second one, furrow tongue. Number third, broad palm with palm creases. Broad palm, हथेली चौड़ी होती है और उसके बीच में क्रीज झुर्रियां होती हैं. Broad palm with palm creases. And fingers, there are many foldings can be seen in the fingers. बहुत सी झुर्रियां होती हैं उंगलियों को. Foldings on the fingers. This is Down syndrome disorder. This may be effect of due to the abnormalities in number of chromosomes. Two more types of chromosomal disorders are, one is Klinefelter and other one is Turner syndrome. Next one is Klinefelter. Klinefelter's syndrome. This disorder is also a trisomy, means one number of chromosome is exceed. This disorder is also caused due to trisomy. It means one number of chromosome is also extra chromosome is added. It means one chromosome, कौन सा X is extra added, and this may arises into the male, and this disorder is seen in male. A male has one pair of sex chromosome XY, but due to one X chromosome addition, extra X chromosome addition, it may contain XXY. Number of chromosome from 46 to increase 47. A male has X and Y sex chromosome, and the total number of chromosome is 46. But due to addition of one extra chromosome, it arises, or you can say that it may arises XXY. A male has only XY, one pair of chromosome, sex chromosome, one, but due to some trisomy effect, one extra X chromosome is added. So the number of chromosome may be 47, because a normal contains 46, but one extra X chromosome is added. Then that type of person contain, that type of male contain XXY, 47 number of chromosomes. This type of male is sterile, that is not able to reproduce, that is not able to produce their offspring, and contain some feminine, means female characters, such as voice and development of breast. This is called Klinefelter syndrome. One more chromosome, one more disorder, that is Turner syndrome. Turner's syndrome. This disorder may arise due to monosomy. It means one number of chromosomes is deleted. This arises due to monosomy. It occurs in female. A normal female contains X and X sex chromosomes. Number of total chromosomes is 46. But due to deletion of one chromosome, one X chromosome, the female contain only X naught. Firstly, normal female contain XX, but due to deletion of one X chromosome, it contains X naught. It means number of chromosome remains only 45, not 46. Extra तो disorder, lower तो disorder. Extra होता तो मेल के अंदर, lower होते तो फीमेल के अंदर. Number of chromosome 46. Sorry, 45. The female of this disorder affected contain some masculine, it means masculine, some male feature आ जाते हैं इसमें. There is no fully development of ovary and breast. So the female is also sterile if that female is affected from Turner's syndrome. Characters such as not fully development of breast and ovary, as well as the female, at the face of the female some beard and mustache may also arise. Arising of beard or mustache on face. This female is also sterile. So these are the some disorders which may cause due to abnormalities in number of chromosomes as well as Medallion disorders. Clear?